I am grateful that you came into my life because you make me complete. Murag, pamahaw, paniud og panihapon, di kompleto ang kaon kung walay kanon.
All of my memories, like constellations, were spinning round in my head. So many miles.
I can't remember how we start and how you survive our relationship. Especially, kay grabe ako mga tantrums and kamalditahan. Pagpangaway diri, pakigbulag didto. But congratulations, you survived and now you're reaping the fruit of your pag-antos.
All of the pictures, dreaming in color, the life we know will never fade.
Gugma mooy gihagit nga importanteng batunan diha sa matag usa kaninyo. Kay diha sa gugma usunod ra ang kalipay, kalinaw, anaa ang kayusahan.
We first met 11 years ago. We were not friends back then. I have my own circle of friendly man ko, and you're not. Black section tayo, so classmates sa lahat ng subject. But we don't have the chance to talk to each other. Kay okay lang jud na sa likod lang ka, alone. And ako, kay baga man kay ikugnaw, dili jud ko musugot na sa likod mo lingkod.
B, this is the moment we're waiting for, the day we look forward to walk towards the altar and make promises in front of God, our family and friends, and all the people who witness us today.
I'll replicate your pain, climb down, if only for a taste.
As I remember way back then, I was a loner and serious person. I feel comfortable for being alone. But when you came into my life, you make my world.
Never came for long.
But when you came into my life, you make my world upside down.
A love that is mirrored to the love of God. A love that has no condition. A love that has no limit. Higugmaon ta karon kay gwapa pa ka, siksi pa ka, pero sunod ay losyang naman, tambok naman, adili na. No. The love of God is always be constant. Your love must be mirrored to the love of God.
I promise to grow old with you, to take care of you, to support you, to be more patient, understanding, and kind, and to give all the things you deserve because you, Rica, Corpus, soon to be Lofranco, are important to me. I love you, B.